What are you doing? You gotta wash your hands because your brother drooled on you? Okay, dry your hands. Your blocks? Go over there with your brother. He's playing with the cars.
Yes.
Caden's not the type to strut around. Careful, leave him alone. In his pull-up, but it's a little warm today. And we can't have the windows open because there's bees outside. Wait. I'll get him. Okay, here we go, Caden. Show your brother the cars. A fire truck? Yeah, that's right. Fire trucks stop fire, and fire is hot. Mm-hmm.